In Islam, death is seen as a transition rather than an end. It marks the soul's departure from the physical body and its journey toward the afterlife. Here are some key concepts related to death in Islam. 1. Death as a natural and predestined event. Islam teaches that every soul has a fixed time on earth, and only Allah knows when and how a person will die. The Quran states, "Every soul shall taste death. Then to us you will be returned." Quran 29:57. 2. The soul's departure. At the moment of death, the angel of death, Malak al-Maut, takes the soul. The experience varies depending on a person's faith and deeds, painless and peaceful for the righteous, but difficult for those who rejected faith. 3. The grave and Barzakh, interim stage. After burial, the deceased enters a waiting phase called Barzakh, where their soul remains until the day of judgment. In the grave, two angels, Munkar and Nakir, question the soul about its faith and deeds. 4. The day of judgment and the afterlife. Islamic belief in the afterlife includes resurrection, judgment, and either eternal reward in paradise, Jannah, or punishment in hell, Jahannam. Good deeds, faith, and God's mercy determine one's final destination. 5. Death as a reminder. Muslims are encouraged to remember death often, as it humbles them and reminds them to live righteously. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "Remember often the destroyer of pleasures, death." Sunan Ibn Majah. Would you like more details on any specific aspect?